Hi guys, happy Halloween to all you Americans and everyone else around in the world. Today we are going to be doing, as you can tell in the thumbnail and the title, we're going to do Maleficent's makeup tutorial slash Halloween look. I don't know what I'm going to call it, but basically I'm going to do the one that has the fabulous Angelina Jolie in it. So it's like got the yellows and the browns and the dark shadows. She's got the black flowy dress, and I definitely got that costume all ready to go. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is the one we're going to be focusing on today. Here's the beautiful Angelina Jolie. But as you can tell by the picture here, there's a lot of yellow on her eye, or on the bone of her eye, like a high bone up here, and there's dark all over the lid. So that's what we are going to be creating today. And the shadows I'm going to use are very affordable. I got the BH Cosmetics 120 color eyeshadow palette and also Makeup Geek. So very affordable, very simple, nothing too crazy, and it probably won't be as long. So the first thing I applied was the MAC paint pot in Painterly, wherever I put it. I don't know, it just disappeared on me. Anyway, and I'm going to set it with this color in my palette, or Z palette, called Vanilla Bean. And I'm just going to place that all over the lid as a base. Now, I'll link everything in the description box below, but you can use whatever you have in your collection. This is just what I can afford. I can't afford any Natasha Denona or any high-end status. So just use whatever you've got. That's what I am going to do. And then I'm going to work on the lid. So I'm going to take this Sigma, what's it called? Blending in 25 brush, and I'm just going to take Creme Brulee, which is this mid-tone brown color, and Latte, which is like a cooler version of that shade. I'm just going to mix them together and apply them into my crease as my transition shade. Very simple. I put tape on there as a guideline. If you can hear my parents banging away in the kitchen, ignore that. I'll see if I can blur out the sound and when I edit this video. Seriously, every time I film it, it's like Mum always has to make a noise. It's very frustrating. So this is all you do, really. It's very simple. And it looks like in the photo that Angelina Jolie's eyeshadow is not neat at all. I'm just looking at my phone for reference. It's like very messy. It's not blurry. Very patchy. So it doesn't look like you need a lot. I've already primed my face using Mecca Hydrating Primer because I have dry ass skin. Honestly, Mum, enough. I've got a dishwasher. You don't need to rinse it. Whose mums does that? Whose mums rinse the dishes before putting them in the dishwasher? Because my one does, and it wastes a hell of a lot of water. Just give me a second. Okay, so sorry about that. Now, what's next on the eyes? You can't really tell because it's not close, but it looks like there's like darkness, or like a dark brown shadow on the outer V, and yellow a little bit in the middle, and there's definitely yellow on the high bits of her brow. So I might do my brows next. I know a lot of jumping back and forth. Bear with me. That's my shadow eyebrow groomer brush. This is by XO Beauty. I'm just going to fill in the brows. Now in the photo it looks very sculptured. So that's what I'm going to try to achieve. But then again, she probably has tattooed brows. I really want to try them, because apparently you don't need to wax them every 2 weeks. Does anyone else have tattooed eyebrows? If so, how was the experience? I'm really curious. I know Shanaxo has tattoo brows, and she did like a little montage on how it went, but that's just like one person's opinion. I would want multiple. Okay, so that's one brow. Let's do the other one. They never look like twins. They always look sisters or cousins, so bear with me. I'm always drawing it on my actual skin. Sorry, I'm not talking while I'm doing my brows. It takes a lot of concentration. Who holds their breath when they do their brows? I do. Alright, then I'm going to take Gimme Brow just to make it a bit darker, since Maleficent is a dark witch. Oh, tape's coming off. Whoops. And then I'm going to set them. These are all by Benefit, by the way. I love Benefit for brows, so I'll link them, as I said, in the description below, and what shades I use. Okay, so brows are done. Now, what to do next? I'll apply a darker brown all over my lid, I think, now that that's out of the way. So I'm going to look in this BH Cosmetics. Whoops. See if there's any darker shades in here. Oh yeah, there is. Okay. So there's 2 trays you get. Didn't smash, thank God. I might go with the first tray and go right at the bottom to this darker shade right here and apply that all over the lid with just a shadow brush. Doesn't matter which one, as long as it's flat. I might use this concealer one from Sigma once again, and then I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. It's got some yellows in here too. I got this one yellow shade from Makeup Geek called Lemon Drop. It just makes me think of Dumbledore when I hear that. But I might use the BH Cosmetics because there's a lot of yellow shades, and it's a variation of yellows all over Angelina Jolie's brows, so just to darken up the lid. See if I can zoom you guys in a bit. That might be better. There's a lot of different variations of Maleficent. Like there's the purple eyeshadow look with the green skin. There's this one. There's like a million different looks. So I thought this one, because this is like a neutral type of look. I'm just going back in the brush where we applied our crease with, and I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. I'm actually reading this book about Maleficent. It's like, I think it's from the Twisted Tales collection from, what's the author's name? I got it in my bookshelf. Liz Bracewell. And it's really good, actually. It's like what happened if Aurora never woke up. It's very interesting, like a retelling of all the Disney films. I got the Beauty and the Beast one and the Maleficent one. So really good. If you want to try it out, I highly recommend it. Alright, so that's the eye base. Now I'm going to do the yellow. Now on, looks like it's a mixture of a yellow and an orange. So I am going to take this Wizarding World one. I love this. It looks like the elder one a bit, but it's because it's very like detailed, I guess you would say. So I'm going to go back in with the 120 color eyeshadow, the first tray at the top, and I'm going to take, which one? I'll take that yellow shade here. I don't know how to show you guys. This yellow shade here mixed with like a light orange, one of these two. Might go this one and this one and that one, just a mixture. Let's see where we end up. Tap it off. So I find these shadows are so pigmented, especially for the price. Now let me reference material. Okay, so it's very high up her bone, so it's like covering that whole thing. Thank God I didn't apply my foundation, because we can always clean it up with that. So you're just gonna basically do this. Oh, that actually looks pretty good. I'm quite amazed with that. Okay, I'm going back in with the same colours. I was just praying that it worked. Do once again the same thing over here. Looks like she got punched in the eye. Seriously, it's like an old faded bruise. And my eye, the tape's coming off. So how are you guys doing? I want to know about you, how you guys going. What are your plans for Halloween? What is it like over there in America? I'm really curious because I've never really experienced a proper Halloween, even though I really want to. Like, we do trick or treat here in Australia, but it's not the same. Like, we don't celebrate, you know, like the true meaning of Halloween, like the spirits coming back from the dead, which I find very fascinating. All the rituals that the Mexicans do and things like that. I remember when I was a kid, I watched there was Scooby-Doo movie, and it was like set in Mexico, and it was like celebrating the Day of the Dead. Oh, that was a good one. I love that movie. I should see if I got it and watch it. He's a big fan of Scooby-Doo. I am. Love that dog. I've always wanted to be Daphne growing up. I don't know why. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the eyes. Okay. I might do a little wing. See how I go with that. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to hand it and going to apply the rest of my face makeup, and then I'll come back and I'll finish off the eye. Oh, that feels so good taking off the tape. I'll be right back. And this is the finished look. I'll send you guys out. Oh, that's it. Oh, is that okay? So this is what my costume looks like. I got the actual Maleficent dress. I'll show you a full size outfit in the thumbnail maybe, or actually let's go in the mirror now. Let's go. So this is what I look like. As you can see, I am very Maleficent looking. I actually got this costume off eBay, so go check it out. It looks, it is actually, why am I showing you there? It actually is very lightweight as well, so it's perfect for Halloween. And the headpiece is actually pretty comfortable too. So yeah, on my lips is the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Wifey. But yeah, I'll link all the products that I use down below. I'm just going to set my face quickly with MAC Fix Plus. This is a new one. So what do you guys think? How did I do? I'm trying to get the Angelina Jolie cheekbones, but I suck at contouring. So yeah, if you guys like this, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe before you leave, and let me know what last minute Halloween look you want me to do next. I'm thinking of either doing Ray, or I might do like a very spooky Hogwarts witch type of thing. So let me know if you guys want me to do that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!